Hey there guys, long time no see. I've been busy for the last couple of weeks. So we're back in action and we're going today to uncover the secrets of customizing the taskbar on Windows 11 operating system. So let's get into it. First we go to the start button and then we go to settings. We look for the personalization option. We go down a bit and then we see taskbar icon. We click on it and a lot of options appear in our screen. We will uncover every one of them, but in this video we'll cover some of them. So let's begin with the search box. This search box is this icon right here. When you press here on search box, many options will appear. You can either hide it, so there's no search box here in the taskbar, or you can make the search icon only appear like this, or you can make the search icon and label only appear, and when you click on it, it will open this. The last option is the search box. It will appear with full options. Like when you click on it, you can type in the space the search box, and the news will appear here, or the calendar, or whatever you follow most of the time. So in this video we uncovered the secrets of how to change the search box in the taskbar items. In the next episode we will uncover the secrets of task view and widget options. That's what we got for this video. See you on the next video. Bye bye.